Hello friends, my name is Rashmi Kaur. Today I'm going to explain the Lab 7 creating folders in VMware vCenter server. In this lab, we can use folders to organize and manage multiple virtual machines in the library. When virtual machines are in a folder, we can manage them on folder tab and perform batch of power operations. When we add a virtual machine to a folder, it remains an independent entity, but we can also perform batch power operations. For example, we can power on, suspend, and resume each virtual machine in a folder separately, or we can power on, suspend, and resume all of the virtual machines in a folder at the same time. We can remove a virtual machine from a folder or move it to a different folder or the subfolder. In this lab, we have to complete the two tasks. First, create a host folder object, and second one is create two virtual machine folders. In the first task, we are going to create a data center and add the host into it. For this, log in vSphere web client and then click on the vCenter. After that, go to the host and clusters. In this step, we are going to add hosts first for this lab, and in future, we also create a cluster in the same tab. For this purpose, right click on the WINFNSONC code dub22qt enterprise.com is the domain name as we had in the previous lab, and click on the new data center and give the name to the data center. So I give the name data center test for it and click OK on it. After creating the data center, right click on it and go to the all vCenter actions. From here, we can add the new host and cluster folder. Now here we can give the name folder test. Click on OK. To add a host in the data center, just right click in on the data center. Click on add host and give a name of the host followed by the domain name. Commit to the memory. If you get an error in here, make sure you add the ESXi machine in DNS first and then try this process again. Here I am going to give the IP address of my ESXi and click on next. Here you can put your username or passwords. Username is a root and password. Click on next. After clicking on next, here you can see the host summary name of my ESXi host, which is 192.168.0.19. After that, click on next. Keep as a default of the assigned license key and click on the next. And then you can see the VM location data center test is ready to complete and click on the finish. Now we are going to do the task 2, that is create two virtual machine folders. So to create a new folders for manage virtual machines, just go to home and click on the VMs and templates. In this options, right click on the data center and go to the all vCenter actions. From here, you can click on the new VM and template folder. So here I'm going to give the name folder test 2 and click on OK. So by using the same process, we can create the two folders and give the name to them, and I have already created the two folders here. So at the end, I would like to say what we learned from this lab. So in this lab, we learned how to create a data center and inside the data center, how to create folders, which is useful to manage virtual machines. And apart from that, how to add host into the data centers using ESXi hostname. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.